It's not very often that I get down to the docks during the day, but it's Friday afternoon just before the storm is coming. So Matt and I are just going to check out some of our customers' boats who don't live here, just to make sure that the lines and everything are all secure, just in case the weather gets a little rough. We are also needing to contact American Airlines to see if we can fly out of here sooner than Tuesday so that we can get to Vidsummit in LA. We already had tickets leaving Tuesday, but that storm seems to be coming right about the time that we were supposed to leave. So we're going to see if maybe we can get those tickets changed for hopefully Sunday morning. We'll see.
Is there water coming out of the side of the boat? Okay, we're all good. Air conditioning's blowing cold, pumps pumping. We're looking good.
So that storm is supposed to be coming maybe the beginning of next week. And look at the Galleon Marina. You can see it's pretty empty here.
All right. Yep.
Out to dinner for my 50th birthday.
Happy birthday!
Just before we're getting on that airplane to go to LAX. We are on our way. LAX, here we come.
Here we are at Vidsummit in LA 2022, the start of a new journey for us.
So you guys won't believe it. We are at Vidsummit in LA, and we had signed up for the 3:30 Mr. Beast burger serving, and we got notice at like 3 o'clock, hey, we're out of burgers. So we were like, well, who knows how long it's going to be before we can try a Mr. Beast burger, because we live in Key West, and they're not going to build a Mr. Beast burger in Key West unless Mr. Beast you're going to. Anyways, we came down to go to another seminar, and Jeremy Hale from his YouTube channel is What the Hale, and he's a YouTuber and he's successful, and he had like 3-4 boxes of Beast Burgers left, and we were walking up, and he said, "Have you guys eaten?" I said, "No, we were on for the 3:30." He's like, "Take them, here you go." So here's our Mr. Beast Burgers. We're really excited. We're going to tear into them and eat them up, and we're going to enjoy them, I'm sure. Everybody says they're amazing. So we lucked out, totally. Thanks to Mr. Hale. Super excited. Just found out that the Key West Airport is going to be opening up Thursday at 7 a.m. We're due to fly out of LA. We're at Vidsummit here, and we were concerned about how we were going to get home and if we were going to be able to get home. But like I said, just got word the airport is open for business Thursday morning at 7 a.m. We leave Vidsummit Friday morning early, fly out of LAX, DFW, and then Key West, and it looks like everything's going to be perfect. We'll be able to go home. We still have a home to go home to. Everything survived, and yeah, we're blessed. So lucky.
Well, we made it back to Key West, luckily, and today we wanted to take a little bike ride to see what kind of damage the hurricane did while it was visiting us for that short amount of about 24 hours, I want to say. And unfortunately, we do have many homes that have been flooded and many boats that ended up in the mangroves and or floated off. This is the beach right here, Smathers, and it does unfortunately have quite a bit of damage. We've got a lot of sand across the street. The road was closed for some time, but lots of debris, and the mangroves across the street from it are all burned where the airport is, unfortunately.
So I don't know if you guys noticed, but right back there, there's two guys trying to jump a car that was submerged in salt water. That is very dangerous because what happens is the salt water gets up in the catalytic converter, which is on the exhaust system, and that salt reacts with the catalyst in there, and it starts on fire. So I wish them the best of luck.
We just went around the island. We went for a ride on our bicycles, and I really have to say that I am so truly blessed. I'm a little bit emotional because it's sad to see people go through these struggles of the hurricane. And if anybody knows me, I always feel everybody else's pain. Anyways, our little city will get through. We'll be strong. We haven't seen our employees since we left last Sunday, so tomorrow we'll have to find out if they need help and see how we can be of assistance to their lives. Extremely unfortunate for these people that lost their boats. You can see them all piled up there.